Welcome to this video tutorial which highlights various navigation elements of the articles section of the new portal, where you'll work on and complete your article assignments for the Maintenance of Certification program. When you're ready to begin working on article tasks for the current year, click on any of the article-based tasks under Certification Tasks. When you land on the Find Articles page, you can view your article progress in more detail and choose the articles you would like to complete for the current MOC year. At the top of the page, you'll see graphics with more detail than those that are on your dashboard. If you're a subspecialist or have a focused practice designation, you'll have an additional graphic that shows your article progress for your subspecialty or focused practice. On the Find Articles page, you can search for articles in a variety of ways using the filter fields available to you. You can filter articles by selecting a category from the drop-down menu, or you can search by keyword. You can even filter by release date. You're able to filter by open access or ultrasound only, and you can choose to hide articles that you have already added to your bookmarks. We'll explain more about bookmarks in just a bit. Once you select a filter option, press Enter on your keyboard or click Apply. To clear all filters, just click Clear. You can view or read an article before you start the quiz by clicking on the article title. Once you've found an article you'd like to complete, you can either click Start to start the quiz immediately, or click Bookmark. Clicking Bookmark will save an article to a special bookmark section, so you can continue looking for other articles and come back to that article later, without having committed to it. If you decide to bookmark articles, you can find your bookmarked articles by clicking on the button in the top right area of this page, right above the filters titled My Bookmarks. On this page, you can view articles that you've bookmarked under Reading List, Quizzes in Progress, and article assignments that you've completed. If you want to start a quiz from a saved article within your reading list, expand the reading list category and click on Start on the article you want to complete. Remember, once you start a quiz, that article will count towards your MOC score and cannot be deselected. If you change your mind about an article and have not started the quiz, you can unbookmark the article by clicking Remove to remove it from your reading list. To get back to the Find Articles page to search for additional articles, just click on the Find More Articles button in the top right. To return to the portal dashboard, click on the portal logo in the top left corner of the page, or use the button in the menu in the top right corner. This concludes our video tutorial about the articles section in the new ABOG portal. If you'd like to view other tutorials about the new portal, visit the links below in the description of this video or visit our YouTube channel.